Welcome back to our lecture series on signals and system. So in today's video, we are going to be looking at the basic continuous time signals. So in this particular video, we are going to be looking at each and every one of them. We are going to be listing them out, and let's get started with that first. So for the basic continuous time signals, we are going to be looking at 8. There are 8. There might be more, but we are going to be listing out 8 of them. So the first one is the unit step function. So some might also call it the Heaviside step function. So then we also have the unit impulse function. The unit impulse function. So that's the second one. So the third one we're going to be looking at is the ramp function. So on number 4 on our list, we're going to be looking at the rectangular pulse function. In number 5, we have the signum. We have the signum function. On number 6, we have the real exponential. The real exponential function. On number 7, we're having the complex. The complex exponential function. While the last one we are going to be looking at, which is the number 8, is the same function. It's the same function. So these are the 8 basic continuous time signals that we are going to be looking at. So we are going to be looking at each and every one of them. We are going to be looking at the equation, that is a mathematical expression, and the diagram of what each of these signals look like. So all of this we'll be doing it in the next video. So if you want to see that video, do make sure you subscribe so that once the video is dropped, you get notified as soon as the video is up. So if you have any question or if you find value, if you have any question, just drop it in the comments. If you find value in the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Alright, so thank you very much, and I'll see you all in the next one.